I am going to show you guys how I do my makeup. So I put on just like the matte side of the highlighter everywhere. And then I'll take the medium color stick and I'll use the lighter color, just contour down my nose, and I always do the tip of my nose. Then I will take the darker side of the medium and just kind of go down my cheek, and I love to go along my hairline because I just really like to look super bronzed, and I love like a short forehead. I know it sounds weird. My theory with contour is I always go kind of in like a 3, so I'll kind of just go down and like this. The 3 starts here and down that way. So I'll blend my forehead first, and I just kind of go in a circular motion with the brush, and I kind of try to go in the 3 first, and that's really what I do when I get ready myself. So I am going to show you guys how I do my makeup.
Okay, you guys, now that I did my brows, I'm gonna use my powder contour in number 5, and I'm gonna show you guys another way that you can actually use it besides just contouring. And we're just basically gonna apply it to the outer part of your crease. I always find myself doing this whenever I'm on a rush and I want to keep it very like simple and then just like straight to the point. I'm gonna jump back into my contour powder in number 5, and I'm gonna just kind of like sharpen my contour, like make it a little bit more like noticeable, just a tad bit, especially on this outer corner, just because we want a nice hollow cheek and like the whole Kim side leg thing. Do you guys see that? Okay, you guys, now that
So we have contour shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,